Yes, good morning, children. Yes, in the last class, where we have stopped, yes, up to a man stood holding a pole with yellow. That I think that paragraph is completed in the last period. Okay, let us see the next para. Look at the textbook. You should have textbook. Open the textbook, page number 3. Page number 3. Keep the pencil with you. Okay, let us see the next para. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which cooled itself in a basket. It heard raised in a graceful bend like a neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears like a gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. See here, then what did he see in the next? In the fair, what did he see? So let us see. He see the, it means he saw the snake charmer. He saw which person? Snake charmer. Do you know snake charmer? Yes, snake charmer means what? Snake charmer. In Kannada, Avadiga. Snake charmer, that is English word. That meaning in Kannada, Avadiga. Yes, let us see. A snake charmer stood playing. Yes, he stood even playing the, what he playing? He playing the flute. So you know how the snake charmer playing the flute, what type of snake, just make the activities. So all the things I hope you know that. So that's like here when the charmer, it means snake charmer, stood and playing the flute to the snake. Just he playing the flute to the snake. Is it understand? He was playing the flute to the snake. See here. Playing flute to the snake which pulled itself in the basket. Automatically that was in basket. When he was playing the flute, automatically tried to come outside. That snake tried to come outside from the basket. Is it right? See, that's it. Cooled itself. Cooled means rounded. Cooled means what here? Rounded. Okay. Cooled itself in a basket, it heads raised in a graceful. Automatically, he raised the head. The snake raised his head beautifully. Gracefully means here beautifully raised his head. Beautifully. Graceful means what? Beautifully. You understand how the snake raised its head beautifully or gracefully or attractively. Yes, is it right? So that's like. Then its head raised in a graceful bend like a neck, neck of a swan. What type of swan? Swan has a long neck. Swan has a long neck. Just like here, the snake stretch his neck like a swan. Here, the snake stretched its neck like a swan, like a swan. That's right. Then, while the music stole into its invisible ears like a gentle rippling and invisible waterfall, sometimes up and low. Yes, up and low in the music or chorus. Is it understand? Sometimes raise the voice or raise the volume. Sometimes just come down the, just decrease the volume. Is it right? So that's like. So here's like a gentle rippling. Rippling means variation. Rippling means what here? Variation. Sometimes low pitch, sometimes high pitch. It is called variation. Is it understand? So let us see next. Rippling of an invisible waterfall, the child went towards the snake charmer. Yes, when the child listened or heard the snake charmer flute sound, automatically the boy went to there. The boy went to the snake charmer, where he was playing the flute. See here. Then snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him. But he know very well because my parents not allow me to go there. My parents not allow me go there. Forbidden him to hear such a coarse music as the snake charmer played. He processed further. Yes, continuously he go further. There was a round boat in a full swing. Men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with a dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the round boat. Please, father and mother. Round boat. Round boat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? This is the picture of round boat. This is the picture of round boat. ಚಕ್ರ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕರಿತಿರಲ್ಲ. So that is called a round boat. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೇನಂತ these are seats are here. So many seats are. This type of baskets are there. In the basket, the people are sitting. It goes through the electrical. It is run through the electrical. Okay, it run through the electrical power. It means current. So here, then there was a round boat in a full of swing. It is swing. It means from one place to another place. It's moving. The round boat moving one place to another place, that is called swing. Swing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ. ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರನಾಗಿ ಜೋತಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಓಲಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಈ ಚಕ್ರ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಓಲಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So in that round boat, so many men or women or children sitting there. Yes, somebody, men, women and children carried away in the whirling motion. It means round. It takes a round motion. It's going into the round motion. The round boat going into the round motion. Is it understand? Let us see next. So whirling motion, shrieked and cried. Yes, how they are making sound. So somebody are laughing, somebody are crying, somebody are shouting. Is it right? That's like they are making sound. The people are making sound. That's like here, who are sitting in the round boat, they cried, they shouted. Even somebody people enjoyed. Is it understand? Let's see next. Shrieked and cried with a dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently. Yes, here the child watched them intently. Intently means continuously. He watched them. How they are enjoyed. How they are making sound. Everything he observed here. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. After that, he took one bold step. He took one bold step. He decided to ask something. The boy decided to ask something. Let us see what was that. I want to go on round boat. Oh, father and mother, you did not give me anything. At least listen what I am telling. Okay. So I want to go on round boat. Please, please, father and mother, please send me. I want to play what a round boat. I want to sit in the round boat. This like who requested here? The boy requested to the parents. Here, I want to go on the round boat, please, father and mother. There was no reply. Here also, no offer he did not get. The boy did not get this offer also. Okay, there was no reply. It means no reply from the parents. It means not allowed him. It means what? Not allowed him. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. Yes. When the boy requested to the parents, I want to go there. So at the moment, no reply from the parents. No reply from the parents. Just he turned back. It means the boy turned back to see the parents. To see the parents. But there were no. But they were not there. It means parents are not there. It means what? Parents are not there. Yes, sir. They were not there ahead of him. It means in front of him parents are no. Then he turned to look. He turned to look on either side. He just searched everywhere. The boy searched his parents everywhere, but in anywhere parents are no. So he turned to look on either side, means right or left, front or back, everywhere he searched. Everywhere he searched his parents. They were not there. It means parents were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. It means no one. There was no sign of them. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಗುರುತಿಸುವಿಕೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅವರ ಇರುವಿಕೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್. A full of deep cry rose within his dry throat. With a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, "Mother, Father!" Tears rolled down from his eyes. Hot and pious, his flushed face was convulsed with fear. Panic-stricken, he ran to on one side first, then to the other. Tighter and tighter in all directions, knowing not where to go. Mother and father. He waved his yellow turban, came untied, and class became muddy. See here what's happened. When parents were no, automatically he start to cry. You start to cry. You are also feeling that way. When you are a child, when you go with the parents, when somewhere you missing your parents, how you feel? You feel what? You feel what? Pain. Because no parents with you, automatically you feel pain. That's like here also, the full of pain. Full of pain he expressed here. A full deep cry rose with his dry throat. Automatically his throat become a dry. His throat become a dry. Is it? A full of deep cry rose within his dry throat. With a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood. Automatically where? Just he went to there where he stood. He went to there where the parents stood, crying in real fear. Yes, he was crying continuously. He was crying continuously. Real fear, mother and father. Yes, even he afraid of that. Even he afraid of that because he lost the parents. He lost the parents in the fire. So even he shocked. He felt shocked also. Crying in a real fear, mother and father. Tears rolled down from his eyes. Automatically, tears down. The tears rolled down from his eyes. ಕಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Okay. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed face, automatically his face become a dull. His face become a dull and convulsed with fear. Even he was very fear mood. He was in fear. Then panic striken, he ran to one side first. Just the boy ran to the one side first. Then to the other. Just he searched one side. After that another one side. This time he searched his parents. First one side, another one side. Hitter and hitter. It means from right to left, left to right. It is called hitter and theta. In all directions. In all directions he searched. Not only in one direction. He searched in all directions for his parents. Knowing not where to go. Knowing not where to go because fear is not a small. Big fear is there. You don't know where to go. Where to search his parents. It is a big question to him. Is it? Knowing not where to go, mother and father. Just he was continuously crying. Even he was saying what? Mother and father, where you are, where you are. It's like he was crying. Mother and father, he waved his yellow turban, came untied. Automatically, he just tied the turban. Now, untied the yellow turban. Untied the yellow turban, came untied class and become muddy. Become a muddy. Muddy means just like a wet. Just like a wet. Muddy means. Wet means like a Either muddy means like a wet. So here, having run to and fro in a race of running for a while, he stood defeated, his cries suppressed into sobs. At little distance on the green grass, he could see, through his filmy eyes, men and women talking. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow cloths, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people, who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. Yes, one group is there in the distance. One group is there. Somebody people just they wear the turban. So he tried to go there to see the parents. Having run, it means just continuously on to run. Having run to and fro in race of running for a while, sometimes running. Then he stood defeated. He stood defeated. It means he accepted loss. ಸೋತ್ನೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನಂತೆ. Just he stood defeated, his cries suppressed into sobs. Sobs means ಬಿಕ್ಕಳಿಸಳೋದು. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. ತಂದೆ ಹೋದ, ತಾಯಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಂತ ಅವನು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Is it? So his cries suppressed into the sobs. A little distance on the green grass. In the little distance on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes. Through the filmy eyes, men and women talking. It means the filmy eyes, somebody, men and women are talking in a little distance on the green grass. He tried to look intently. Even the boy tried to look them among the patches, bright yellow cloths, but no sign. He tried to look the parents, but there was also in that place also parents were no. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. So mother among these people who seem to laugh and talk. Here somebody people are laughing, then talking also. Okay, as well as talking. Laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. He ran quickly again, this time to a stream to which people seem to be crowding. Every little inch of space here was congested with men. Here is a heavy crowd is there. In the fair, you may see heavy crowd. Heavy crowd is there. Here he ran quickly again. He ran quickly again, this time to the stream, to which people seem to be crowding. As so many people are there. The group is there, crowd is there. Okay, every little inch of space there was congested with the men. Total 1 inch place also just covered by the men and women. Each space covered with what? Men and women. You can understand? Men and women. Each inch place also covered by the men and women. That much crowd is there. That much crowd is there. Okay, let's see. So congested means heavy people with men, but he ran through people's legs, his little shop lingering. Through the people's legs, he tried to search his parents with crying, mother and father. Never the entrance to the temple. However, the crowd became very thick. Even he searched the temple entrance. Even the boy searched the temple entrance. However, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled each other. Jostle means pushing. Jostle means what? Pushing. Yes, jostle means what? Pushing each one. Pushing each one. Pushing each one. Let's see. All the people just pushing each one. Men jostled each other, heavy men with flashing, murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. The poor child struggled to thrust way between their feet, but just he moved through the people's leg between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. It means no one care of him. There are so many people are there, a heavy group is there, heavy crowd is there, but no one ready to take care of him. No one ready to ask him what's happened to him. This is the condition of boy here. So uh, he might have been uh, trampled underfoot, and he not shrieked at the highest pitches of his voice, father and mother. A man in surging crowd heard his cry, and stopping with a great difficulty lifted him within his arms. So in this moment, one person came to him. Even the boy was continuously crying, father and mother, father and mother. Even he did not raise his voice high pitch. One, he did not raise his voice in high pitch because totally he was in pain. He was shocked. He could not speak. Okay. Here, father and mother. A man in surging. It means crowd. In that crowd, one man heard his cry. Yes. Fortunately, what's happened? A man, just heard his crying. Heard his crying. So, how he was crying? Father and mother. Father and mother. Just like he was crying. So, this thing a man heard. Okay, let's see. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry and stopping with a great difficulty. Yes, he can't stand in one place. It's very difficult to him. Although he stood in one place, he lifted him. A man lifted the boy here. With a great difficulty, lifted him up in his arms. In his arms. This is called arms. Does you understand? This like happened to him. So stopping with a great difficulty lifted him up in his arms. How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked. He stayed clear of his mass. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Anyhow, when a man lifted the boy, the person asked questions. Yes, of course. Where you are? What is your name? Where you come from? Where is your parents? Who is with you? This like so many questions. The person will ask the children. So that's like here a man asked so many questions. Here, how did you get here? How did you come here? Where, whose boy, baby you are? It means, where is your parents? These questions the person asked the boy here. How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked. He stayed clear of mass. Even he tried to look around. The man also tried to look around. Okay. So that stayed clear of the mass. The child wept more. When the person asked a question, automatically more and more he was crying. He was crying more. Okay, let's see. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Only one thing he was telling, I want my father, I want my mother. This thing only he was telling. Okay, further no. No more further words he could not say. Only he said what? I want my father, I want my mother. See, next. So, how did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? Then the man asked. He stayed clear of the mass. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Does it understand? Let's see. Next one. Here the man tried to soothe him by taking him into the round boat. Will you have ride on the horse? He gently asked, as he approached the ring. The child tore into the thousand steel shops and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my mother. Yes, the person tried to control his crying, try to control his trying. That's reason in this way he did so many things to the boy. See here what's happened next. First, the man tried to soothe. Soothe means control. Soothe means what? Control. Control. Soothe means. Yes. He tried to control him. The man tried to control him. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the round board. Yes, just he went to there. He went to round board with the boy. So we have right on the answer. He asked so many questions, so many things also he offered him. Let's see one by one. Which are the things the man offered to the boy? Yes, the man tried to soothe him by taking him to the round boat. Will have ride on the horse. He gently asked as he approached the ring. He gently means slowly. Gently means what? Slowly the person asked him. He approached the ring. The child throat tore into the thousand steel shops. He only shouted, but he could not control. The person could not control him. Continuously, just he was telling, what? I want my father, I want my father. This like happened. Is it understand? Any difficult? Hmm? So is it understand, students? Okay. So let us continue this lesson in the next class. Until take care of yours. Okay. Thank you.